Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at 14 practical tips and techniques for growing your Facebook presence and engaging with your audience. Let's get started. Tip No. 1. How to make your Facebook profile professional. First impressions matter, especially on Facebook. Ensure your profile picture is high quality and preferably a headshot. Keep the cover photo professional and relevant to your brand or niche. Craft a compelling bio that includes keywords and a link to your website. Enable the follow button to encourage visitors to stay updated. Tip number 2. How to create and grow a Facebook page. Create a Facebook page representing your business, brand, or public figure status. Choose the right page name and a memorable username. Use a professional profile picture and cover photo. Regularly publish valuable content and interact with your followers to build a strong online presence. Tip No. 3. Best times to post. Share your content when your audience is most active using Facebook's scheduling tools. Analyze your audience insights to determine the best posting times for your specific following. Tip No. For 10 ways to grow followers. Implement various strategies to expand your reach, such as running Facebook ads, collaborating with influencers, cross-promoting on other social media platforms, hosting giveaways, joining relevant Facebook groups, and engaging with your existing followers. Tip No. 5 techniques to make videos go viral. Create high-quality, shareable videos that resonate with your target audience. Optimize titles and thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Promote your videos across multiple channels and leverage Facebook's algorithm by getting initial views and engagement. Tip No. 6. Writing attractive posts. Write attention-grabbing posts that encourage likes, comments, and shares. Use storytelling, ask questions, run polls, use emojis, and include a call to action. Tip No. 7. Increase engagement on Facebook. Encourage interaction by asking questions, responding to comments, and running contests. Analyze your insights to understand which types of posts resonate most with your audience and focus on creating that type of content. Tip No. 8. Managing comments and inbox. Utilize the comment and inbox tabs efficiently. Respond to comments and messages promptly, acknowledging negative feedback gracefully, and utilizing the Facebook Business Suite for better organization. Tip number 9. Using hashtags correctly. Research and use relevant industry hashtags to increase your posts' discoverability. Include a mix of broad and niche-specific hashtags in your posts. Tip number 10. Staying active in groups. Participate actively in Facebook groups related to your interests and expertise. Provide valuable contributions and engage with other members to increase your visibility within the community. Tip number 11. Dealing with hate comments and trolls. Address hate comments and trolls in a calm and collected manner. Don't engage with negativity and focus on building positive relationships with your audience. Utilize the Facebook reporting system when necessary. Tip number 12. How to create copyright-safe content. To avoid copyright issues, create original content and give credit to others when using their work. Use royalty-free music and sound effects, and be cautious when sharing copyrighted content. Tip number 13. Understanding Facebook Insights. Facebook Analytics. Analyze your Facebook Insights regularly to understand your audience. Track the performance of your posts, and make data-driven decisions to improve your Facebook strategy. Tip number 14. Planning a Facebook marketing strategy. Develop a comprehensive Facebook marketing strategy that aligns with your overall business goals. Define your target audience, create a content plan, and establish key performance indicators (KPIs) to measure success. Are you ready to take the next step? Here's a roadmap to help you start using Facebook as a tool for income. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.